What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make some tostadas de tinga. This is a recipe that I always make here at home. This is my boyfriend's favorite recipe. He loves tostadas de tinga. Fun fact, about 4 years ago when my boyfriend and I moved in together, he would request for me to make tinga every week, or if not, about 2 times a week, honestly. And I got tired of tinga for a while. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoy this video and give this recipe a try. And let's go ahead and get started. To start off, we will be needing 3 tomatoes. We will be needing 2 onions, 1 can of chipotle peppers. We will be needing some chorizo, and this is about a little over half a pound, and some chicken. I already went ahead and boiled the chicken. For our toppings, we will be needing some lettuce, some avocado, some queso fresco, and some sour cream. So the first thing that we're going to do is make our sauce. So I'm just adding the 3 tomatoes into the blender, and I just slice them in half. And we're adding the chipotle peppers. I'm using 1 whole can, but this is going to be really spicy. My family loves spicy food, so I always make it spicy. If you don't like it really spicy, I would just add about a few chipotle peppers, and then just keep on going. Start off with a little bit and just add on to however spicy you want it. So we're gonna add about 1/4 of an onion into the blender. So adding 1 garlic clove. Be adding some salt, and just add to taste. And I'm just adding about half a cup of chicken broth from when I cooked the chicken that we're using for the tinga. If you don't have chicken broth, just add water and maybe about a spoon of the chicken flavored bouillon. So after adding the tomatoes, the chipotle peppers, onions, salt, chicken broth, and garlic, we can go ahead and blend everything. So here I have a pan, and I just added some olive oil, and we're gonna cook our chorizo first. I'm just adding the chorizo, and I'm just breaking it up with my hands as I add it on the pan. And we're just gonna let this cook for a few seconds. We don't want it to fully get cooked because we're gonna add our onions next, and that's also gonna cook together with it. So we don't want our chorizo to get burnt. And now I'm just adding all of our onions, and we're going to let this cook for a few minutes. And I do have this on about medium to low heat. So now we can go ahead and add our chicken. And once you give all of this a big mix, we're gonna go ahead and add our sauce. And again, just give it a mix. And then we're going to let this cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then cover with the lid and let it cook for an additional like 10 minutes. So now I'm making our tostadas, and by doing that I am just frying tortillas. So I just went ahead and put a tortilla on a pan with some oil. Just use some tongs and keep flipping it back and forth. Make sure it doesn't get burnt. So again, I'm just adding the tortilla and I'm just pushing it down. And then once it starts bubbling up, we can flip it and then repeat the process and keep flipping it back and forth. So now I'm just adding some sour cream on the tostada. Now I'm adding some refried beans. If you guys don't know how to refry beans, I do have a video on how to make refried beans on my how to make chilaquiles video. So if you guys want to see how I make the refried beans, go ahead and check that video out. Again, it's the how to make chilaquiles video. And now I'm just adding our tinga. And now we're adding the lettuce and queso fresco and the avocado. And you can also add salsa or tapatio, whatever you guys like, to make it spicier. But since I do make the tinga pretty spicy, I don't feel like it needs any more heat on it. But again, you can add salsa as well. I know there's many ways on how to make tinga. Everyone makes it different. A lot of people don't add chorizo, so I really do recommend trying it like that. If you already know how to make tinga, try it out. Add the chorizo and let me know how it tastes. It tastes really, really good. I do recommend it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video and give this recipe a try, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!